Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make your spreadsheet available offline on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a spreadsheet from these documents that you have already created at your home screen. But if you feel like to do so, you can also create a new document by tapping on the plus icon down below. Then you can either choose a template or a new spreadsheet. But if you have a document that you can find here listed, just simply tap on the three dots icon next to its title, and as you can see, there is a function saying make available offline. So simply click on it, thereby turning on this function and making your file available offline, meaning that if you don't have internet connection, Wi-Fi nor data, you will still be available to open your spreadsheet on the Google Sheets application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.